Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the nudge feature in Gmail. So basically that feature allows you to decide what emails are important and which are not in order in terms of urgency to reply back to. So it helps determine, hey, this you haven't gotten an email response in a week or 2 weeks, would you like to respond? And it kind of nudges you just on your Gmail homepage here. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the gear icon up at the top right. And you want to select See All Settings. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down here and select underneath Nudges, Suggest Email Replies To, and you may also want to enable Suggest Emails to Follow Up On. So two similar functions, but they do break it down into two separate options here to either enable or disable as you would choose to do so. Pretty straightforward process, guys. The first option, Suggest Emails to Reply To. Emails you might have forgotten to respond to will appear at the top of the inbox. You also have the option here to suggest emails to follow up on, which is sent emails you might need to follow up on will appear at the top of your inbox. So basically two different things here. So ones you haven't responded to yet, and other ones that it detects or thinks you might need to follow up on. And once you made your selection, you would need to go down to the bottom here and select Save Changes if you made any changes. And you probably would want to refresh your page here. And that's about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.